Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the paradox of digital nomad visas. And I had kind of thought of this a few weeks ago, but it came back to the forefront of my mind when reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com. Article was titled Grapevine, Hardly a Pension. And one of the subheadings was Digital Nomads, quoting directly, odd that they should be included in the latest proposals for a 10-year Thai visa, as most just want the freedom to travel rather than be based indefinitely in one country. And I kind of thought of that, and it was like, yeah, the first time I heard about the notion of a long-term digital nomad visa, it's kind of got an inherent conflict, sort of an oxymoron in and of itself, in that it's a nomad visa to stay someplace a really long time. And it does seem a little bit odd. And most of the folks that I've talked to that are so-called digital nomads, they really do like to just continuously travel if they at all can. Now, we certainly deal with folks that I believe are in the tech sector that want to come to Thailand and want to stay here, certainly a fair number of them. But yeah, this whole, again, it's almost an oxymoron, a long-term visa for digital nomads. These are kind of folks that want to travel the globe and continue to travel. I remember before that digital nomad appellation came about, I remember it used to be called perpetual traveler. You'd read someplace that they'd use the acronym PT, perpetual traveler. People that just kept traveling. They just kept moving to different places, staying for a while, and then moving on. And again, this digital nomad notion, I think, is very similar. So I was kind of thinking of that. It is kind of a weird paradox that you would have a long-term visa for folks that are inherently nomadic.